Today, I'm going to show you how to save and download from Steam Cloud step by step in the easiest way possible. This is really useful if you want to make sure your progress has synced properly, recover an old save, or download a cloud save from another device or directly from Steam's web storage. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, let's talk about how to save to Steam Cloud, or more accurately, how to force a sync. Steam Cloud is usually automatic, so most of the time you do not have to do anything manually. When you close a game, Steam should upload your latest save in the background, but if you want to be extra sure your progress is saved, the first thing to do is exit the game completely. Do not just minimize it. Make sure the game is fully closed so Steam can finish syncing. After you exit, look at your Steam library. You should see a blue syncing bar next to the game, or a cloud status message that tells you the upload is in progress. Give it a few moments to finish. Once you see the message say cloud status is up to date, that means your save has been uploaded to Valve servers successfully. At that point, your progress should be safely stored in the cloud and ready to use on another PC if needed. Now, if you're worried about losing progress or you want to be extra safe before a sync, there is one important tip you should always follow. Make a manual backup of your local save files first. This is a smart safety step, especially if you are troubleshooting a game or trying to preserve a specific save. On Windows, the local Steam user data folder is usually located at /program files x86 /steam user data your steamid /appid /remote. Inside that folder, you may find the save files that Steam is using locally. Before changing anything, copy those files to a separate folder on your desktop or an external drive so you have a backup just in case. Now, let's move on to how to download from Steam Cloud using the browser method. This is the method you want if you are on a different computer, if you deleted a local save by accident, or if you want to manually pull a file from Steam's cloud storage. To do this, open your browser and go to Steam's remote storage page. Then log in using your Steam account credentials. Once you are signed in, Steam will show you a list of games that have cloud data stored on your account. From here, find the game you need and click Show Files. Steam will then display the files saved in the cloud for that game. This is where you can browse the available save data. Look for the file you want to download. Save files often end in extensions like .sav, .dat, or .bin depending on the game. When you find the correct file, click Download on the right side to save it to your computer. After that, you can place the file back into the appropriate game folder if you are restoring progress, or keep it stored safely as a backup. If Steam gives you multiple files and you are not sure which one to use, compare the file names and timestamps so you can choose the most recent or relevant save. And that's it. You now know how to save by forcing a Steam Cloud sync, how to check that your upload is complete, how to back up your local save files for safety, and how to download save data from Steam Cloud through your browser. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.